5 signs that your skincare barrier is damaged. Dry or scaly skin, itchiness, rough or discolored patches, acne, and dullness. Hi, I am Dr. Sheetal and I am going to share 5 tips to repair a damaged skin barrier. Tip number 1. Look for formulation which includes ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide. I recommend Bioderma Atoderm Crème Ultra formulated with niacinamide and sugars, clinically proven to boost skin's hyaluronic acid by 24%, stimulates ceramides in the skin and provides 24-hour hydration. Helps rebuild the skin barrier. And a quick tip for you, apply your moisturizer to your damp skin for better results. Tip number 2, stop using all the exfoliating products. Tip number 3, avoid too much sun exposure. 4. Use gentle and hydrating cleansers and lukewarm water, as hot water can strip away the natural oils of your skin. And lastly, gently tap products into your skin. Rubbing in your serums and moisturizers can further irritate your skin. And remember, being gentle is the key to healing. Implementing these tips into your skincare and lifestyle changes can help you to restore your skin's natural protective barrier over time. And if you have persistent concerns, please consult a dermatologist who can advise you according to your skin's specific needs.